you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today's video is going to be May's Boxy Charm unboxing. I'm super excited because I have already used all the products and I'm going to be showing you a try-on Boxy Charm box. I don't want you guys to feel like I am rushing this. It's just because I don't want the video to be too long. Now we're going to go ahead and go into the try-on portion of it, and where you guys get to kind of see my thoughts on every individual thing. Overall, I do like the products that came in this box. I'm not going to say it's my favorite box of all time, but I do like it. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using these products, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to start off with is probably the spoolies, because I need the spoolie brush because I need to do my eyebrows. So let's get that out. Just this over here. I mean, it does its job, right? Okay, as for the spoolie, it's nothing special, it's just a spoolie. So I feel like we could have done without this, but of course it is helpful for those of you that don't have a spoolie on hand to use. I have one already, and then I have another brush from Tarte Cosmetics that it came with, so yeah, I have spoolies. So I'm like about it because I don't really need it. The next item we're going to go in with is the primer, and this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. That's what this looks like. And we're going to go ahead and apply this to the face. So it's like a skin toned. Can you see that? Skin tone primer. Kind of reminds me of, it reminds me of a lot of the Benefits Pore Professional Primer. I used to love that primer. Last year, I think. And it was the same thing, like for pore minimizing. So with those type of primers, you want to push it into your pores versus like rubbing it in. I do feel like it blurred my pores. I really do, because I'm really glad I showed my pores. Let me zoom you guys in. Welcome to my face and all its imperfections. As you guys can see, I have a lot of pores, but it did a really good job at blurring them. Like a really good job. So obviously with primers, don't expect them to leave you all smooth and flawless. They're supposed to help conceal your imperfections, not necessarily take them all away. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and kind of do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to continue to use the stuff that we got for this Boxy Charm. Of course, for you guys it'll be in just a second, so I'll be back. So now I'm going to go into this. This is the Pure Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette, which just looks like this. Really cute packaging. Pure really has cute packaging, and I hope you see it. So that's what that looks like. As you can tell, it does have a mirror, and then it looks like it has two contour shades, which are actually pretty dark, and then two highlight shades. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Ooh, they're really buttery. Okay. So this one is called Inventor. That's the top contour shade. And then this one's called Founder. And that is the bottom one. Okay, now for the highlights. This top one is Originator, which I'll just do the back of my hand. Pretty, really pretty. And this bottom one is called Trailblazer. really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush, which is from that brush video I found. This is from the Party Queen makeup brushes. It's my dual fiber makeup brush. And I'm gonna go in with this top one right here because they just look really, really dark, so I'm a little scared. Just lightly gonna pick up some product. There is some fallout. I don't know if you guys can see. Go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so I like it so far. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to contour the nose, but I am scared because it is pretty dark shade. Little really does go a long way. So hopefully I don't ruin my makeup look with this. It is a little dark. Good, and just do this. That looks better. Okay, so I think that this palette definitely gears more to deeper skin tones, or at least medium to deep, because these contour shades are really, really dark. I was really scared using them, but so far it came out nicely, I think. Yeah, I really like it. I mean, it blends like a dream. Honestly, it really does. It doesn't look muddy. It looks really good, but I do think that it is a little dark for my skin tone. Now the next thing we're going to use, the kit or box comes with a brush. Mine came a little bit crooked because it got smushed in the box, but it should still work. And I'm sure that with washing it, it should go back to normal. But it says it's a face brush, perfect for multiple things, I guess. But I don't know. I can only really see myself using this maybe for blush, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be taking my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This blush is really, really pretty. So I'm going to be using that today. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the highlight. And I'm going to go ahead and use both highlights today. I'm going to mix them. Okay, I'm just taking the smaller brush, which I also got in that brush kit from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and dip into both and highlight my nose. What do we think? I like it. It's really nice. It looks really smooth. It definitely doesn't have any texture or anything like that. I like it. Okay, so after all that, now we have the eyeliner. It's from Pretty Vulgar, which just looks like this. It's actually a lot of eyeliner, and it's actually pretty heavy. If we open it, it's a black gel liner, I believe. That's what it looks like. I'm like, that's a lot. I don't know if I would actually use it all up before it expires, because it does say that it expires in 6 months. I'm like, I don't even use eyeliner that often. And that's a lot. I mean, at least I only got it, you know, along with everything else for $21, but still, that's a lot. Now, they did send us these other two brushes, which one is an angle brush, which just looks like that, and then the other one is a typical eyeliner brush. I don't use either to do my eyeliner. I actually don't really use this type of eyeliner. I normally use liquid, but this one is way too thick. It's even too thick to do brows, I think. If anything, maybe prepare to do your brows with powder, then that would be good. Oh, I probably should have done that instead so I could use it. Oh well, it's fine. Next time. So to today I'm going to be using this. Okay, there we go. So today I'm going to be using this one, which is the thin eyeliner brush. And I'm going to go ahead and try to use this gel liner, and hopefully I don't jack up my makeup, because the makeup I have on today is what I'm going to be using to go to work. So let me just move this stuff around so I can bring my mirror closer to me. Go ahead and okay, I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little scared. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my god. You guys, I've never in my life made a wing this fast and this easily in my life. This gel liner is so smooth, it makes it so easy to work with. That's insane. I can't even begin to explain how easy that was. And I haven't been doing wing liner in a while, so for me this looks pretty amazing. I feel like my wings still look completely different and they're not exactly shaped the same, but still it was effortlessly, like I didn't struggle at all. These two are pretty amazing, which is surprising to me because they were like the least things I was excited about. And right now they're kind of giving me life. Like, this thing's amazing. I'm like, oh my god, it's amazing. I can't believe that I was able to produce these wings that fast. It's insane. I'm like, wow. Like literally, wow. I'm shocked. Okay, so now I have my lashes on, and I really like the liner and the liner pens, or this thing, the brush. I really like it. Okay, so the last thing that we got in this month's box is I think it's a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss from Han, which looks like this. This is the one that I got. It looks really pretty. I'm not sure if it's going to match my makeup look, but we'll see right now. So it looks like it is sealed, so let's go ahead and open her up. It's really pretty. That is a really pretty lip gloss. I like it. It's really like, oh my god. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna finish up my hair and then we'll come back to conclude this video. Just ignore my flat iron right there. Okay, so by far, you guys have to know already that what most impressed me was the gel liner. The gel liner is absolutely amazing. It was so easy to use. This is by far the best wings I've done in a long time because I don't do wing liner anymore. I don't even put on wing liner anymore, so I am really lacking in the practice of it. So yeah, this thing was amazing. I absolutely love it. Second to that, what I really liked was obviously the brush, the liner brush. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but once I got it to be, actually thin, like that, like really thin, it makes for a really good precise application. So I really like this one too. I do like the sculpting palette. I still feel that the contour shades are really dark. But I mean, they're too dark for me. Look at that. It straight up looks like just a brown shadow. I really like the highlights. I think the highlights are really cute. It went on effortlessly. It doesn't enhance any texture or anything like that, so it looks really pretty. I do like it. So it's okay. I like it. It's not my favorite. I like it. And then as for the lip gloss, I do really like it. I think it's really pretty. It's really colorful on the lips. It smells good. And I like it. It looks pretty. As for the rest of the brushes, I felt like we could have done without these brushes, and I wish that they would have included something else. I mean, given this one comes in with that one, but this one, I'm kind of like, whatever about it. Did apply my blush really nicely, but still, I could have done without it. I have plenty of other brushes. Overall, I really do like this box, and if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and leave everything linked in the box below in case you guys want to join Boxy Charm as well. And yeah, that basically completes today's video, my loves. I hope you truly enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on what you would like to see next, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, hit that little notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I do post videos here on YouTube, because YouTube has changed. And yeah, that's basically it. Remember, you guys, that you are beautiful, you're smart, you're intelligent, you can do anything that you set your mind to. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you can. Nobody's going to stop you. Don't be embarrassed. Just do what you love and be you. And be kind to one another. Don't pull anybody down. Don't step on each other to reach something that you might not even get to. Not saying that you can't, but just saying, do everything with kindness and love in your heart. And yeah, that's basically it for now, my loves. Until next time. Bye.